This Magnavox portable CD player with pure digital sound is the best thing to take on vacation. Unless you compare it with this clever Magnavox 5-inch TV. Great pictures anywhere. The best is this compact yet intelligent Magnavox camcorder with autofocus. Unless you take this Magnavox 3-inch LCD TV, which connects to my camcorder, so I can watch my vacation on the ride home. Looks as though I had a pretty good time.
The ingenious products from Magnavox. Smart. Very smart.
They're coming out. I always say this. Yeah, here they go.
And the winner is Ford Probe GT.
We recently accepted the Motor Trend Car of the Year award. But the real trophy is yours to take home. Ford Probe GT. A lean carved shape. A button-down cockpit. Pure 24-valve performance. And now, Motor Trend Car of the Year.
It's McDonald's Holiday Film Festival, now featuring the American epic Dances with Wolves. The original full-length video, unbelievably priced at just $7.99 when you buy any large sandwich. So hurry in and pick up Dances with Wolves. Also available, the family favorite, Babes in Toyland, and the hilarious Dirty Rotten Scoundrels. These films just $5.99 each when you buy any large sandwich. What you want is what you get at McDonald's today.
Years ago, when this was my piano, your mom helped me dust it with Pledge. It's had a beautiful shine every week and every year with no buildup. Oh, but she did leave a few fingerprints.
Now that it's ours, I use Touchable Pledge, so smears just disappear.
With Touchable Pledge, the shine stays, but the smears disappear.
Oh, I remember teaching someone
that same song.
Pledge for a touchable shine with no buildup from S.E. Johnson Wax.
When your batteries are performing, you're on top of the world. But you never know when they're about to take a fall. Only Duracell has the Copper Top Battery Tester, so you can be sure your batteries will be riding high. You can't top the Copper Top.
Now on video, Walt Disney's Beauty and the Beast, the movie everyone wants to have for their own.
The Beauty and the Beast was my favorite, and it was great. I like the part where they fall in love, and he says,
I love her.
That's the best part.
Yeah, oh, indeed.
And then they dance and dance and dance, and it was beautiful.
Give your child the movie they'll treasure forever. Walt Disney's Beauty and the Beast, now on video cassette.
Looks great. You know, you are looking entirely too young lately. How come your skin looks so good?
Well, I've been taking good care of it.
Yeah, with what?
Oh, this great new moisturizer from Suave.
Suave? I figured you were using some $20 an ounce stuff.
Not me.
Introducing Suave's new replenishing facial moisturizer. It keeps skin looking as smooth and young as expensive moisturizers, but for less.
So your skin looks great. You're saving money. This annoys me.
Oh, come on.
Now beautiful skin doesn't have to cost a fortune with Suave facial care.
Fisher-Price knows kids have an incredible appetite for fun. And that's why our kitchen center has tons of things to satisfy it. From a magic glow burner, to a see-through oven door, to a pop-up toaster. In fact, it's just like a grown-up kitchen, with one exception. After the cooking's finished, everyone wants to do the dishes. The Fisher-Price Kitchen Center now with 20-piece baking set in specially marked packages.
Pizza Hut wants you to share in the magic of Walt Disney's newest video classic, Beauty and the Beast. Now your kids can collect Beast, Belle, Chip, and Cogsworth. Each puppet's $1.49 with any pizza purchase. And when you buy the video at your local video store, you get the Pizza Hut value card for great pizza values. So experience the fantasy of Beauty and the Beast, now with Pizza Hut.
Who Framed Roger Rabbit will continue. Your dentist wears a suit of armor to protect you both from AIDS. But is that enough?
You've got to heat sterilize his handpiece.
Now there's more heat on dentists. A special Street Stories next.
I
Island adventure is back.
I want you.
Wish I could be flattered.
The unlikely duo is coming.
Watch your back. I'd rather watch hers.
January 2nd, Raven. Sunday, 'tis the season for mistletoe.
Well, they certainly are an attractive couple.
And for the kiss of death. Has Santa gone sleighing?
I just don't believe that.
Murder, She Wrote Sunday.
It's a Merry Murphy Monday. Family and friends on hand. There's frolicking and feasting. Get out while you can.
The next person who tries to leave this room gets decked in the hall.
Murphy Brown. Then, is Jack really a Christmas Scrooge? All new Love and War Monday.
All those who love great comedy say aye.
This is CBS.
Hi, I'm here at Hardee's to tell you how you can get an exciting Home Alone 2 poster. They're all from the movie, you know, where Kevin gets lost in New York and has to outsmart the burglars. There's an easy way to get these posters. Just purchase a large sandwich, large fries, and a large soft drink, which comes in a Home Alone 2 collector cup, and you get a poster free. So hurry into Hardee's. Please.
Free Home Alone 2 posters only at Hardee's.
What did you say?
Chapstick medicated, please.
Introducing new Chapstick Medicated, because sometimes nothing is more important than fast relief of painful chapped lips. Triple medicated, and you can feel the relief immediately.
Thanks.
The leader in healing chapped lips introduces Chapstick Medicated, proven chapstick protection, triple medicated relief.
I'm Steve Bergen. Expect a high tomorrow near 50. More news and weather coming up.
I'm gonna save my wife. Be careful with that gun. This ain't no cartoon, you know. This is no way to make a living.
Nothing satisfies so many people in so many different ways. Beef, it's what's for dinner.
Now this is intense. New Style Freeze from Salon Selectives. Create dramatic volume. Freeze every detail in place. For salon beautiful styles, Style Freeze is your newest choice.
Dermatologists see thousands of cases of painfully dry skin a year, but the only one that counts is yours.
Skin Science Update from Vaseline Intensive Care.
I'm Joan London, and this is the latest physician's desk reference for non-prescription drugs. And in it is the extra-strength formula developed by Vaseline Intensive Care Research for treating severely dry skin. The thousands who've seen it work know it's serious medicine.
Extra strength formula. From intensive research comes intensive care.
Punctuation.
The situation, the combination,
Exclamation.
is the punctuation.
Parents love to tell about when they were kids. It's called nostalgia.
I had a Tonka truck.
A mini Cabbage Patch Kid. I always loved dolls.
A McDonald's hamburger Happy Meal will give you that nostalgic feeling. For just $1.99, you can get a mini Cabbage Patch Kid.
Cute hair.
Or a mini Tonka truck with parts that move. One toy with every Happy Meal you buy your kids. Plus, get coupons and rebates for up to $50 off name brand toys and games.
What you want is what you get at McDonald's today.
When your sinus and nasal congestion feels this bad, what can you do? Last year, you wanted to call the doctor. Last year, you wanted a prescription. But this year, Tavis D in its full prescription strength is available without a prescription. Just one tablet helps relieve 12 hours worth of painful congestion and sneezing.
Guess what? I'll be there after all.
Tavis D. One tablet, 12 hours, and now no prescription.
How would you like to leave your house every morning and find him waiting outside? He terrorizes the neighborhood and the cops can't do a thing about it. How come? Watch 60 Minutes, Sunday.
She needed to start a new life.
Try to weed out the sociopaths before you make your next choice.
But when she hired this man to build her home,
The best in the city.
did passion go too far?
What are you doing with this guy?
Now, the closer she gets,
I won't let him hurt you.
the more their life becomes a nightmare.
I love you so much.
He killed my best friend!
Richard Dean Anderson and Marg Helgenberger.
Get out of there. He's watching you.
Through the eyes of a killer, a world premiere Tuesday.
This holiday season, JCPenney cares more about the way you look.
Happy.
Satisfied.
Relaxed.
So we're giving you more service.
We're stocking up and staffing up.
We're offering you somewhere else to turn for gifts you don't find in the store.
And no hassle returns at all 1,300 stores.
With all we're doing to keep you smiling
and saving,
you'll see why the best place to spend this holiday season is
JCPenney.
Introducing Ford Taurus and the look. Look at this and this. In fact, when you look at all the ways we continue to improve Taurus, you'll see why it's still without equal. Ford Taurus.
Yeast infections are no joke, so I don't fool around when it comes to a cure. I use Myselect 7. It has the same prescription strength medicine as gyne-lotrimin, but it costs a lot less. So my choice, my cure, is Myselect.
Look at him. George Carey eating a multigrain cereal. Can you believe it? George never liked the taste of anything nutritious until he heard there was something new from Cheerios. Multigrain Cheerios has the nourishment of multigrains, but the way Cheerios mixes together toasted corn, wheat, rice, and oats, nutrition never tasted so good. Multigrain Cheerios. Nutrition never tasted so good.
Who saw the new Disney movie Aladdin? Who went to Burger King to get the free Aladdin Magic Cup?
Love this place.
Burger King celebrates the magic of Disney's Aladdin, only in movie theaters. And now when you visit Burger King, you can get an Aladdin Magic Cup free.
I gotta come back so I can collect all for it.
When it gets cold, it changes color, and it's free when you order this, one of these, and a 32-ounce soft drink.
It's your way right away.
I love this place.
He skipped parole and now the state of West Virginia wants him back.
You have the right to remain silent.
But with a lawyer like this and witnesses like these,
Chris is dead meat.
can prison blues be far behind?
It's not every day we have one of our own sent COD to the slammer.
An arresting northern exposure.
You want my autograph?
All new Monday.